BakerySwap crypto swap platform usage experience. In this video, I'll be diving into my experience with the BakerySwap crypto swap platform, a decentralized exchange built on Binance Smart Chain, BSC. BakerySwap offers a fast, low-fee way for users to swap cryptocurrencies, stake tokens, and participate in yield farming, all while leveraging the security of BSC's network. Designed for both seasoned crypto traders and those just getting into decentralized finance, DeFi, BakerySwap provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface that makes crypto trading accessible to all. One of the key features of BakerySwap is its decentralized exchange, DX, where users can trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies directly from their wallets without needing an intermediary. The platform supports seamless token swaps, and thanks to its integration with BSC, transactions are processed quickly and at a fraction of the cost compared to Ethereum-based platforms. This makes BakerySwap ideal for users looking for efficiency and low fees, especially during periods of network congestion on other blockchains. BakerySwap also stands out with its staking and farming opportunities. Users can earn passive income by staking their BNB, BakerySwap's native token, or other supported assets. With an easy-to-navigate interface for adding liquidity to various pools, users can earn rewards while contributing to the liquidity of the platform. These rewards can be reinvested or swapped for other tokens, adding flexibility and potential returns to the experience. For anyone interested in non-fungible tokens, NFTs, BakerySwap has also integrated an NFT marketplace where users can create, buy, and sell unique digital assets. This feature adds an extra layer of versatility to the platform, making it a one-stop shop for those looking to explore different aspects of DeFi and NFTs. Overall, BakerySwap offers a comprehensive suite of tools for those in the crypto space, with a focus on user experience, low fees, and access to DeFi and NFT opportunities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, it's a platform that makes navigating the world of crypto simple and rewarding. If you're looking for an efficient and cost-effective way to swap, stake, and farm crypto, BakerySwap could be the platform for you.